Every month, millions of people lose hundreds of dollars, not because someone steals it, not because they don't work hard enough. They give it away. One small purchase at a time. And the scary part is, most of them never realize it's happening, because the things making them poorer don't look expensive. They look normal. They look harmless. But over 10 years, those small purchases can quietly cost you tens of thousands of dollars. People think getting rich starts with earning more. Sometimes. It starts with stopping the money that's already slipping away. Today, let's look at 8 purchases that quietly keep people broke. The first one, buying status. It doesn't come in a box. It comes disguised as a luxury watch, designer clothes, the newest phone, or a car that's just a little more expensive than you can comfortably afford. Here's the problem. Most people aren't buying these because they need them. They're buying them because they want other people to see them differently. But attention doesn't last. The monthly payment does. By the time you finished paying for that feeling, everyone has already moved on to something newer. The second, monthly payments that never seem to end, subscriptions, phone financing, buy now, pay later. They all seem small on their own. $10 here, $20 there. But after a while, part of every paycheck already belongs to someone else, before you even get paid. The third, buying the cheapest option. At first, it feels like you're saving money. Then it breaks, so you buy another one, then another, and another. The cheapest price isn't always the cheapest choice. Sometimes, buying quality once costs less than buying cheap 5 times. The fourth, shopping because you're bored. You weren't planning to buy anything. You just opened an app, started scrolling, saw something interesting. 5 minutes later, you've spent money on something you didn't even know existed this morning. That's not an accident. Entire companies spend billions of dollars learning how to turn your boredom into their profit. The fifth, lifestyle upgrades. You finally get a raise. You should feel richer. Instead, you move into a bigger apartment, upgrade your car, buy nicer furniture, take more expensive vacations. Your income grows, but somehow, your bank account doesn't. That's called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly keeps millions of people from building wealth. The sixth, paying a lot to save a little. People spend hundreds of dollars to save 10 minutes, then spend 3 hours scrolling on their phone. The money isn't the biggest loss. The time is, because time is the one thing you can never earn back. The seventh, buying things to feel better. Imagine this. You have a stressful day. Work was exhausting. Nothing went right. So you open Amazon or your favorite shopping app. You buy something. And for a little while, you actually feel better. The feeling is real, but it doesn't last. A few days later, the excitement disappears. The credit card bill doesn't. Temporary emotions often create permanent expenses. And finally, the eighth purchase, choosing stuff instead of ownership. Most people spend extra money on things that lose value. Very few use that same money to buy assets, shares in great businesses, a small side business, new skills that increase their income. These choices don't seem very different today. But 10 years later, they can completely change your financial future. Here's what's interesting. None of these purchases look dangerous by themselves. One dinner, one subscription, one unnecessary upgrade, one impulse buy. None of them feels like the reason people struggle with money, but together, they slowly become exactly that. The world tells you the secret to wealth is earning more, but real wealth often comes from wasting less and giving every dollar a better job, because every dollar you spend is making a decision. It can buy something you'll forget next month, or it can buy a future you'll thank yourself for years from now. The paycheck you earn probably won't decide whether you become wealthy. The choices you make after it hits your bank account will, and that decision starts with your very next purchase.